Hello students, welcome to the second part of the chapter India's Foreign Policy, Standard 9, subject Political Science. In this part, we will study about early phase of India's foreign policy. Prime Minister Pandit Nehru shaped the India's foreign policy in the early period. India decided to improve the relations with the countries in Asia. Efforts were taken to cooperate with Asian countries in order to achieve the development and to keep our independence intact. Countries of Asia and Africa supported the concept of non-alignment. India had to face conflict with the neighboring countries. War took place between India and Pakistan over the Kashmir issue in 1947-48. There was lots of stress on strengthening India's defense. The technology required for this was imported from Soviet Union, France and Germany. Due to the policy of non-alignment, India could get aid from both the superpowers, Soviet Union and America. India proved her nuclear capability by conducting the nuclear test in 1974. In order to increase the cooperation among the South Asian countries, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) was established. India initiated a dialogue to improve the relations with China. Let us know about India's foreign policy from 1991. India's foreign policy became more comprehensive and dynamic. Economy, trade, education and technology got included in foreign policy. After 1991, India reduced the government controls over the economy and adopted the free market policy. After 1990, India's relations with the South Asian countries like Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam became stronger. India began to participate in the organizations at the international and regional levels, for example, G20 and BRICS. India's trade exchange with Israel, Japan, China and European Union also increased. India's nuclear policy is an important part of India's foreign policy. Department of Atomic Energy and the Indian Atomic Energy Commission were established. India conducted her first nuclear test in 1974 and the second nuclear test in 1998. India has developed nuclear missiles and its air force and the navy have been enabled for carrying them. India is now a country which has nuclear weapons and have accepted the role of responsible nuclear power. India has been constantly supporting efforts for disarmament because it is India's position that there should be peace and security in the world. In the next chapter, we will study about India's defense system.